Yes, student, we are doing the chapter number 9. This is the exercise 9.5 and question number 6. And this is the using the identity evaluate. And in this first part is 71 square. 71 square. देखो स्टूडेंट, इसको हम 2 पार्ट्स में स्प्लिट कर देंगे. 70 + 1 का होल स्क्वायर. अब इसमें कौन सा फॉर्मूला लगने वाला है? a + b का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a² + 2ab + b². अब यहाँ पर हम a को लेते हैं 70 और b को ले लेते हैं 1. देन we make 70² + 2 × 70 × 1 + 1 का स्क्वायर. ओके, 70 स्क्वायर किसके इक्वल हो गया? 4900 + 140 + 1. Now we add all these terms. By adding we get 5041. That is our answer. And we have to find the square of a particular number by applying the algebraical identity. And second part is 99 square. That is represented by 100 - 1 whole square. And we put the formula of a minus b whole square. That is equal to a² minus 2ab plus b². And here a is 100 and b is equal to 1. Then 100 square minus 2 × 100 × 1 plus 1 square. Then we get 1, 4 zeros minus 200 plus 1. Now add and subtract these terms. देखो 10,000 में से -200 कर दो, फिर +1 कर दो, तो 9801. दैट इज द स्क्वायर ऑफ 99. एंड नाउ वी टेक द थर्ड पार्ट. 102 square. Write it 100 + 2 whole square and applying the algebraical identity a plus b whole square, that is equal to a² plus 2ab plus b². And here a is 100 and b is 2. Then we write it 100 square plus 2 × 100 × 2 plus 2 square. Then 1, 4 zeros plus 400 plus 4. And add all these terms. We get the square of 102. 10,404. That is the answer. Now fourth part is 998 square. We write it as 1000 minus 2 whole square and write it as a minus b whole square. We apply the formula a minus b whole square, that is equal to a² minus 2ab plus b². Here a is 1000 and b is 2. Then 1000 square minus 2 × 1000 × 2 plus 2 square. Then 1, we apply the 6 0 and minus 4000 plus 4. And first we add the first and third term and subtract the second term. We get 996004, that is the square of 998. Now fifth part is 5.2 square. We can write it as 5 plus 0.2 whole square and apply the algebraical identity a plus b whole square. When we will do in your notebook, then in every sum we have to write the which algebraical identity we applied in a particular sum. Then we write it as 5 square plus 2 into 5 into 0.2 plus 0.2 square. देखो 2, 5, 10 और 20 में 2.0 आ जाएगा, तो 0.0 को हम हटा सकते हैं, 2 हमारे पास हो जाएगा। 0.2 को 0.2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो मेरे पास 0.04 आता है। After adding we get the 27.04. And now sixth part is 297 into 303, and by splitting we write it as 300 minus 3, and in another bracket 300 plus 3, and here we apply the algebraical identity a minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. We apply the a square minus b square. Then we get 300 square minus 3 square. And 300 square means 9 and 4 zeros minus 9. After subtracting, we get 89991. That is the multiplication of 297 and 303. And now look, seventh part, 78 and 82. These two numbers are nearer to 80. Then we write it as 80 minus 2 in the bracket and 80 plus 2. Apply the same formula as in above. A minus b, a plus b is equal to a square minus b square, and we get 80 square minus 2 square, and this is 6400 minus 4. After subtracting, we get 6396. And now eighth part is 8.9 square. We write it as 9 minus 0.1 whole square. Then apply the identity a minus b whole square. A representing by 9 and b representing by 0.1. Then we apply this identity here. 9 square minus 2 into 9 into 0.1 plus 0.1 square. Then we get 81, 1.8, and plus 0.01. And after subtracting and adding, we get 79.21. Now the last sum is ninth part, 10.5 plus into 9.5, and both these decimals are nearer to 10, and we write it as 10 plus 0.5 and 10 minus 0.5, and apply the algebraical identity a plus b, a minus b, and here a is 10 and b is 0.5, and we apply this identity a square minus b square, and we write it as 10 square because a is here 10 and 0.5 square. Then we get 100 minus 0.25 and get the answer 99.75.